Ba Hao is called a neighborhood, but life here is still far from what most of us know. Some families here have never had access to electricity and still live without it today.
When it rains, getting in and out becomes even harder. The road gets deep in mud, with potholes and slippery paths. The community needs a safer road to get home. Behind these rundown homes are 214 families doing their best to get by. Many parents have to leave home for work, while keeping their children in school is still a daily struggle. Seeing hope in their eyes, this Mid-Autumn Festival, we hope to light up the moonlight in them, for them. Come together and help Ba Hao take a step toward a better future. Your contribution makes a difference.